Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic time slot in collaboration. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. Time slot. So in the collaboration option, there is a option there is a pin option where you can click on the pin, and after clicking on the pin, you get the time slot option. So what is the time slot? So we can manage the open slot. You just need to find the right time for the meeting with the people outside which is your company. Send them the link to your open slot. Your contact will choose the time as per their requirement. So you can mention the time, and you can mention the slot durations. You can add the colleague. You can just directly copy your time slot and you can paste it in this collaboration chat or the other sources you want to. So after clicking on this option, here the select time slot option is coming, and here you can select the slot for the specific dates, and you can select the slots over here. Like if I want to select for 10:30 to 11:30 for 21st April, so I click on the select time slot. So here the option is coming to write the first name and the last name. After that we have to mention the mail ID, and here the mail meeting topic and the place and the link would be mentioned. So after completing all these details, you just need to click on the create a meeting option, and your time slot is booked for the specific part. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more content, drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.